Hey there, future AWS pros. Welcome to this video made to guide you about AWS Lambda, where we're unlocking the secrets to success in this powerful service. I'm Emma.
And I'm Maya. We'll talk about some of the best tips and tricks that will help you become the master of AWS Lambda. So, let's dive in.
Let's start with understanding the Lambda environment. Cold starts are a common challenge, but with provisioned concurrency, you can minimize those delays and ensure your functions are always ready to go.
And don't forget about memory allocation. More memory doesn't just mean more space. It can actually speed up your function by giving you more CPU power. But don't go overboard. Find that sweet spot where performance meets cost effectiveness.
Next up is monitoring and debugging. Monitoring is crucial for keeping your functions running smoothly. Use CloudWatch Logs Insights to gain deeper insights into your logs and troubleshoot issues effectively.
And for more complex applications, AWS X-Ray provides distributed tracing, which can make it a lot easier when debugging issues across multiple services.
Deploying Lambda functions at scale requires a solid strategy. CI or CD pipelines with Code Pipeline and Code Build can help automate your deployments and keep everything running smoothly.
Also, to ensure zero downtime during deployments, use versioning and aliases. Blue or green deployments are another great strategy to minimize risk during updates.
Lambda has some hidden features that can greatly enhance your development process. Lambda layers, for instance, allow you to share dependencies across multiple functions, reducing redundancy.
Custom runtimes are another powerful feature, enabling you to run code in any programming language within Lambda. And for complex workflows, AWS step functions can orchestrate your services seamlessly.
Alright folks, we've covered a lot of ground today, but there's always more to learn with AWS Lambda. Keep experimenting and exploring new features to stay ahead in your development journey. And if you want to test your knowledge and understanding the complex topics more effectively using practice tests, then check out free demo practice questions by pass4future.com and become the master of AWS Lambda concepts in no time at all.